Okay, this fancy looking machine here is called a function machine. And this table on this side is called an input-output table. So an input-output table has a set of x values and a set of y values. Remember, don't let the variables scare you. They're just substituted for a number. So in this case, the x could be more than one thing. Maybe it's 0. Maybe it's 1. Maybe it's 2. It can be different things. So what you're trying to do here is figure out what are the y values. It's like if, then. If the x is 0, then the y is what? If the x is 1, then the y is what? So the x's and the y's can be different for different situations. So the way a function machine works is kind of like a pop machine. If you go up and you put your money in the pop machine does its magic stuff, and out the slot at the bottom comes a Pepsi. That's like a function machine. You put something in, it does its whatever function, it comes out as something else. Or maybe like an oven. You stick in a cake batter, it does its thing, you pull it out later, and it's a cake. So a function machine just performs some kind of function. In this case, you're given the function. The function for this question is y equals x plus 3. So that's my function. That's what's going on here. Y equals x plus 3. So if I take this 0 and I throw it in my function machine, it's going to perform its little magic and do this function. 0 plus 3 equals 3. So my y in that case is 3. So if x is 0, y is 3. Now if I take my 1 and throw it in the function machine, does its little magic, performs its little function. 1 plus 3 is 4. So if x is 1, y is 4. Move on down the line. Throw my 2 into the input-output machine. Does its magic, performs its function. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So if x is 2, y is 5. Last one, I'm going to throw this 3 into the input-output machine. Does its magic, performs its function. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So if x is 3, y is 6. So you're just performing this function on each one of these terms to see what the result would be. That's how you use a function machine to find the values in an input-output table.